Welcome to the new segment of the grade 9th. We are discussing the economics, that is a third chapter, poverty as a challenge. Yesterday we have discussed the global poverty scenario. Same subtopic we are going to discuss today also. Here they are given some calculation about poverty, the how it will be reduced in some other countries also. So already you know that the poverty line has calculated of the what income they are earning on the day as a salary or a wages. Yes. So here the sub-Saharan Africa, the poverty fact declined from 51% in 2005 to 41% in 2015. Yes, and in Latin America, the ratio poverty has also is declined from 10% in 2005 to 4% in 2015. The poverty also is the main the socialist countries like Russia, they are non-existing the earlier. When we see this table 2.3, they are given some calculation about the poverty survey in a different country. That is a international poverty line, that is a that means the population below the 1.90 dollar, that is a per day. They are the calculation through dollars. The new sustainable development goals, that is a main, that is human resource development of United Nations, that is a UN, that is purpose of the ending the poverty in all the types of in the up to 2030. So here in your textbook also that is the calculation is differ which one I am using as a textbook for to the explanation. So when we see these the poverty head count ratio, the comparison among the some selected countries, that is 3.2 table. When we see this poverty below, that is a per day what the dollars they are the earning. Yes. So this is the here the Nigeria, Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, China, Brazil, Indonesia, as well as Sri Lanka, they are the given here day by day it is reducing. It is a database where we are the got from a source we are the using from to the World Bank. One more thing here, the share of a people living, that is dollar, that is 1.90 per day, that is the survey of 2005 to 2015. In your textbook it is printed about it is year the 1990 to 2013. It was it is printed in your textbook, that is a database which is a survey given by a World Bank. Yes. So the China, East Asia and the Pacific, Sub-Saharan Africa, Latin America and the Caribbean and South Asia. So here they are the given. In your textbook also is the same countries they are the given, but the year which I am using 2005 to 2015 it is there. In your textbook it is printed 1990 to 2013. Yes. So another one, that is a number of the poor by a region, that is in a million they are the given here 2005 to 2015. In what the PDF I am using, in your textbook 1990 to 2013 it is printed, that is different countries they are the given how they are the reduced, that is the poverty number of the poor in these particular regions. And so the graphic, when we see this, the day by day on the people they are the earning, and the government also is trying to remove these below the poverty line. That's why we are here they are the given a ratio, the selected countries here that is other countries they are the given, and calculating about these below the poverty line. The not only the our country, in a different countries also they are the main intention to reduce these poverty in the doing the different aspects under a UN, that is United Nations, as well as a human resource development they are the doing. So today we are learnt about this global poverty scenario. Tomorrow we are continuing the other subtopic of that is causes of poverty. For reference you can refer NCERT 9th grade textbook. Thank you.